These are so beautiful. Friends, if you remember, I was talking about gardening that helps in healing depression. This is so cute, the antis. So here is a sample of my gardening that I wanted to share. This is curry leaf tree, curry patta, and then you have lemon tree. Look at these. Look at those lemon. They are ripe yellow also, but some of them, oh god, see, you can see them down there. So this is the lemon tree that improves the quality of air. You will naturally feel so fresh and positive. Then here goes the money plants. This is my balcony area actually. So after going out, I'll show you these pink flowers, and this kind of plantation really, freshens our mood. This is actually very tangy orange. This is not good for eating. Maybe you can make some marmalade by adding a lot of sugar. I can really smell orangey right now. Look. And by this, I remember very cute pink color flower tree which is here. I don't know the name. And friends, you all know, everybody knows these days the benefits of aloe vera. This looks beautiful. Pink flowers peeping beneath. And today the car is naturally cleaned because of the rain. Oh, I forgot to show you the cactus. This is extremely beautiful cactus. I want to come back again and again to my pink flowers. Oh god, look at the beauty. See the raindrops. I have never tried zoom. I'll do and see. So beautiful. I'm not able to show you the exact color. So pretty, the sight itself makes you feel so good. I think every morning you should just sit and spend. This has a lot of impact on mood. beautiful. Hello aunt, good morning. There's one more ant here. Having its morning ride, then fresh curry patta, and then beneficial nimbu. Look at this lemon tree, which gives fresh air, and this gorgeous too. I am back to my pink flowers. Friends, these are mood enhancers. You should try gardening at home.